Hey there beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about pampering yourself after a long and hectic day. We all deserve some self-love and relaxation, don't we? So sit back, grab your favorite snack and let's get started. After a long day, the first thing that comes to my mind is a hot and soothing bath. Not only does it help you relax, but it also helps to relieve stress and tension in your muscles. Add some scented bath bombs, bubbles, and essential oils to enhance the experience. Next, I like pampering myself with a hair cleansing ritual. Using the Kama Ayurveda Bringadi hair cleanser, I wash my hair. Infused with amla, indigo and bringraj, this cleanser provides 60% reduction in hair fall, 18% reduction in dandruff flakes, and 5 times improvement in hair volume. To control frizz, I use the Bringadi hair conditioner, which has the goodness of amla, bringraj, mulethi, and coconut milk. The conditioner reduces frizz, improves the overall health and manageability of weak and fragile hair. Who doesn't love a good face mask? It's the perfect way to unwind and treat your skin after a long day. Face masks help to hydrate, brighten, and revitalize the skin. Use a powder-based mask or a clay mask depending on your skin type and enjoy the feeling of fresh, glowing skin. Music has a therapeutic effect on the mind and body. Create a playlist of your favorite songs and listen to a podcast while you're pampering yourself. It'll help you distract your mind from the stress of the day and help you relax. Sipping on a warm cup of tea can be very relaxing and comforting. Chamomile tea, for example, has calming properties that can help to reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. Find a tea that you enjoy and take a few minutes to savor the flavor and unwind. Writing down your thoughts and feelings in a journal can be a therapeutic way to process your emotions and relieve stress. Journal writing has many mental health benefits such as reducing anxiety and depression, increasing self-awareness and self-esteem, improving problem-solving skills, and providing a safe space to express your thoughts and feelings. In your journal, you can write about anything that comes to your mind. It can be a reflection on your day, a list of things you're grateful for, or even creative writing like poetry or short stories. The key is to write without judgment and let your thoughts flow freely. You can also try different journal prompts to help get your creative juices flowing. Some examples of journal prompts include: what are my goals for the week, month, or year? What are some things that make me happy? Or what are some things I need to let go of? So grab a pen and your fanciest diary or planner, find a quiet and peaceful spot and start writing. Reading a good book can transport you to another world and provide a much needed escape from reality. It's a great way to unwind and relax after a hectic day. When it comes to choosing books for relaxation, consider books that are comforting and familiar or that evoke feelings of nostalgia. Reading childhood favorites like the Harry Potter series, Pride and Prejudice, or Tom Sawyer, Huckleberry Finn. Additionally, self-help books can be a great way to improve your mental health and well-being. The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle and The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey are 2 popular self-help books, and I'm currently reading this book I got a week back called 1000+ Little Things Happy, Successful People Do Differently, and I am loving it. So grab a book, find a comfortable spot, and let the story take you away to a peaceful place. While you read your favorite book, treating yourself to something sweet and indulgent can be the perfect way to unwind after a long day. Ordering your favorite dessert, whether it's a warm chocolate chip cookie, a creamy slice of cheesecake, or a rich scoop of ice cream, can bring a sense of comfort and satisfaction. Just be sure to enjoy your dessert mindfully and in moderation, as overindulging can lead to feelings of guilt and discomfort. So you want to stay away from that. So if you're in the mood for something sweet, treat yourself to a comforting dessert and savor every bite. Meditation is a great way to calm your mind and reduce stress. Even just a few minutes of meditation can help you feel more relaxed and centered. Try finding a quiet spot where you can sit comfortably for 5 minutes and focus on your breathing. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and then slowly exhale. As thoughts come into your mind, acknowledge them and then let them go, bringing your focus back to your breath. You can also try guided meditations or meditation apps that offer short 5-minute sessions specifically designed for relaxation. I sometimes use this singing bowl while I meditate. As the singing bowl vibrates and produces its sound, focus on the sound and let it fill the space around you. With regular practice, meditation can help you build resilience to stress and improve your overall well-being. Lastly, it's important to get a good night's sleep. Lack of sleep can cause stress, anxiety, and can affect your overall well-being. Make sure you create a calming sleep environment, switch off your phone, and relax your mind and body before going to bed. So there you have it, my tips for pampering yourself after a long and hectic day. Remember, it's important to take care of yourself, not just physically, but mentally too. I hope you found this video helpful and entertaining. Let me know in the comments which tip you're excited to try out. Alright guys, that's it, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Do not forget to subscribe and like and share it if you found it helpful. Subscribe to my channel right now, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.